Hello friends, welcome to my vlog, and here I am with my very first recipe video that is a fresh homemade yogurt. The reason why I am starting with yogurt is because people keep complaining in New Zealand, lots of my friends, that they've tried so many different ways, the traditional ways and even the yogurt maker, and still it doesn't work for them making yogurts at home. So well, I have a recipe that will definitely give you 100% success in making fresh yogurt at home. Well, that is cheaper and a lot more healthier than the yogurt that you get at the supermarket. So why buy when you can make it at home? Let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with making a basic plain yogurt. For that you will be needing standard milk. The reason why I'm using standard milk is because if you use the trimmed one or a full fat one, you may not get a proper well set yogurt that you would like to have. Along with the milk, you will need some sample yogurt, not sample, it's live cultures, you could say. So you could keep a little bit from the purchase supermarket one that you have, but if you're using the one that is from the supermarket, you will have to have a plain yogurt. You cannot get it set from flavored one, the strawberry, whatever the flavored one. It has to be a plain yogurt. And you will need a stainless steel induction bottom utensil that is thick bottom ones. You can also use a thick bottom saucepan, that's absolutely fine, and of course the gas. So I've already put a 2-liter milk bottle into the my utensil, and I'm going to put it to boil. And once it's boiled, I'm going to let it completely cool down. So that takes a bit of time. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be back again with the next step. Okay, so now the milk is boiled and it is completely cooled down, and I'm going to take it off the gas. Of course, it's here you go. So, and I'm going to add the sample yogurt that I already have, the plain one, and I'm going to mix it into the milk. We're going to give it a stir and cover it with a steel lid. And what's the next important step is you will need an oven. You don't need to precisely use a benchtop oven. You can use the one that is in your cooking range at the bottom. That's absolutely fine. And all I'm going to do is just switch it on for say 30 seconds on highest temperature, because the purpose is just to make the oven warm enough for it to keep the consistent temperature throughout the night. So now that my oven is warm enough, I could feel it, it's slightly warm. What I've done is I've put it on 220 degrees as the maximum for this oven on baking, because it would just not warm it up on the standby option, and just for a minute or so. But then I'm going to switch it off because I've got the warm temperature that I desire, just warm enough, not too warm. And I'm going to place it into the oven, this entire thing. So that's about it. I'm going to let it rest for at least 8 to 10 hours, and then we will see what the result is. It's going to be absolutely fine, and then let's see what happens after 8 to 10 hours. So it's been almost 10 hours that the yogurt has been resting in the oven, and let's have a look at how it is now. Yeah, it looks perfectly alright, well settled completely. I'll give you a quick look at it. As you can see, it's nice and wobbly and firm. All I'll do now is cover the lid again and leave it in the fridge for it to get more firm, and it's going to be absolutely fine for you to use it for up to 7 to 8 days. That it's going to be absolutely alright. So enjoy this simple recipe of plain yogurt, and I'm going to be doing a quick taste test of it with a special guest at my studio. Just a moment. The guest doesn't want to look at the camera. I think she's camera shy. So here she only drinks milk. But do you like this? Miss Shukla. Anyway, So, yeah, you enjoyed this recipe, try it and leave your comment and share your experience with us. And if you have any other requests for any more recipes that I could make it more simple for you, leave me your question in the comment box and I would love to try to sort it out for you. If you like this video, give us a like and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more. Thank you so much.